Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the one-bed apartment furniture layout, or the circulation, and the spaces, the entry exit, the terraces. So here is the plan of one bedroom apartment. So in this apartment, here we can enter to apartment. Here is entry. Here is foyer. So from foyer we can enter to a laundry. So from here we can enter to a kitchen. From here we can enter to a living room with dining table. So from the living room we can go to outside to a terrace. So from foyer we can also enter to a bedroom. Here is bedroom. The in a bedroom here is the study area, the study table with chair with sitting spaces. Here is a TV table. So here is walking cabinet for clothes. Here is the washroom. So here we can see the toilet, the sink, the shower area. Let's go toward the 3D of this apartment. Here is complete 3D model. From here we can enter to a foyer, to apartment. In the foyer here has a water room. Here is the laundry. So here we can enter to kitchen. From kitchen there is direct access to living room. Here is TV table with far space. So here is a decoration material, something you can cut. Here is a shelf design. Here is lighting. So from living room here we can enter to a terrace. Here is sitting area in the terrace. Here is the sunbathing area. A bed for just for 20 or 30 minutes sleeping. So from here we can enter to a bedroom. Here is bedroom properly designed. You can see lift off the study area, and here is clothing, cabins. Here is the vanity, the shower area, the toilet. The whole design here is proper ventilation purpose. Here is windows for proper ventilation purpose. You can see the kitchen ventilation, the outdoor or the terrace doors. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. See you in the next video. For more videos, be with us. Have a good day, dear. Thanks for watching.